Ginger, often referred to as the golden root, is a culinary delight and a powerhouse of health benefits. This knobby, aromatic root has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries and is celebrated for its remarkable properties. As we delve into the multifaceted benefits of ginger, it becomes clear that this humble spice transcends its culinary role, emerging as a wellness elixir with a range of positive impacts on our health. Anti-inflammatory marvel, a shield against chronic inflammation. One of the standout qualities of ginger lies in its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation, a precursor to numerous health conditions, finds a formidable adversary in the compounds found within ginger. Researchers have uncovered that ginger's bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, function as natural anti-inflammatory agents, potentially mitigating the risk of chronic diseases rooted in inflammation. Digestive dynamo, easing the way for a healthy gut. Ginger has long been cherished for its digestive virtues. From alleviating nausea to soothing indigestion, this root aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Whether enjoyed as a tea or incorporated into culinary creations, ginger's ability to calm the stomach has made it a go-to remedy for ailments ranging from motion sickness to morning sickness during pregnancy. Its gentle yet effective approach to digestive wellness positions ginger as a natural solution for those seeking digestive comfort. Heart health, ginger's silent symphony for cardiovascular wellness. Emerging evidence suggests that ginger contributes to cardiovascular health by positively influencing various factors. Studies propose ginger may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, contributing to a healthier heart. This cardiovascular support underscores the potential of ginger not only as a culinary spice but also as a heart protective ally in the pursuit of overall well-being. Muscle elixir, ginger's role in soothing aches and pains. For those familiar with post-exercise soreness or everyday muscle discomfort, ginger offers a natural remedy. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger extend their benefits to the muscular system, potentially reducing pain and soreness. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often turn to ginger as part of their recovery routine, acknowledging its potential to soothe tired muscles and promote overall flexibility. Joint joy, ginger's contribution to joint health. In the realm of joint health, ginger emerges as a potential guardian. Conditions like osteoarthritis, characterized by joint pain and stiffness, may find relief in the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of ginger. While more research is needed, preliminary studies indicate that ginger holds promise as a complementary approach to managing joint-related discomfort, offering hope for those seeking natural alternatives. Antioxidant avengers, ginger's defense against oxidative stress. Ginger, adorned with the spectrum of antioxidants, stands as a staunch defender against oxidative stress. The compounds within ginger neutralize harmful free radicals, contributing to cellular health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. This antioxidant prowess positions ginger not only as a flavor enhancer in culinary creations but also as a natural shield against the wear and tear inflicted by oxidative stress. Immune resilience, ginger's role in fortifying the body's defenses. In the pursuit of holistic wellness, a robust immune system is paramount. Ginger, with its immune-boosting properties, offers support in fortifying the body's defenses. From its antimicrobial qualities to its potential to modulate immune responses, ginger plays a role in maintaining immune resilience. Regular consumption of ginger may be a proactive step towards bolstering the body's ability to fend off infections and illnesses. Metabolic symphony, ginger's influence on weight management. Beyond its culinary and medicinal roles, ginger may play a part in weight management. With its potential to enhance metabolism and promote a feeling of fullness, ginger becomes a valuable ally for those on a wellness journey. While not a magic solution, ginger's contribution to a balanced diet and active lifestyle adds another layer to its holistic approach to well-being. Conclusion: embracing the golden root for a vibrant life. In the rich tapestry of wellness, ginger unfolds as a golden thread, weaving its way through the realms of anti-inflammation, digestive harmony, cardiovascular support, and beyond. As we celebrate the benefits of this versatile root, it becomes clear that ginger's allure extends far beyond its culinary charm. It stands as an embodiment of nature's pharmacy, offering a holistic approach to health, a golden key to unlocking a vibrant and well-nourished life. Whether grated into a comforting tea or infused into a savory dish, ginger beckons us to savor its flavors and embrace its gifts for a journey toward enduring well-being.